Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about Mercedes-AMG CLE53 for 2024. Just like the transition from winter to spring, it appears that every Mercedes-Benz model will eventually be followed by a more potent AMG variation. Less than a year after introducing the 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE-class as a replacement for the two-door versions of the C-Class and E-Class, Mercedes-AMG has confirmed the upcoming release of the CLE53, an AMG variant of the CLE. As the name implies, the CLE53 Coupe will offer a power output that falls between the 402 horsepower C43 sedan and the impressive 677 horsepower of the C63. While both the C43 and C63 employ a turbocharged 2.0-litre inline-four engine with different levels of hybrid assistance, the CLE retains a six-cylinder engine. The CLE, powered by a turbocharged 3.0-litre inline-six, delivers 443 horsepower and utilizes a 48-volt hybrid system to enhance performance at lower engine speeds. Mercedes claims that the powertrain allows the CLE to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.0 seconds and achieve a top speed of 155 miles per hour, although we believe it will be even quicker, considering the C43, which is less powerful, managed to reach 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds in our testing. According to AMG, this version of the inline-six engine has undergone significant modifications compared to its other applications. The combustion chambers have been optimized with redesigned inlet and outlet channels, new piston rings have been added, and a new turbocharger has been installed. The turbocharger works in conjunction with an electric auxiliary compressor that can increase boost pressure to 22 psi and provide an overboost function for up to 12 seconds at a time. The CLE53 is equipped with Mercedes' rear-biased 4-matic all-wheel drive system, which disengages the front axle when not needed. It also comes with the same 9-speed automatic transmission found in other AMG models, featuring a clutch pack instead of a torque converter. Additionally, the CLE53 is outfitted with rear-wheel steering and standard 19-inch wheels, with the option to upgrade to 20-inch wheels. At the rear, the CLE53 exhibits few visual alterations compared to the standard CLE class. Apart from the badging and the wider rear track, there are limited changes. However, an optional AMG Performance Studio package is available, which adds trim pieces to the front and rear fascia, as well as a spoiler lip and a rear diffuser board. On the other hand, the front of the CLE53 boasts more exciting modifications, including a more aggressive hood and an AMG-styled front bumper and grille that give it a fiercer appearance than the standard version. The front fenders are 2.3 inches wider, while the rear fenders are a full 3.0 inches wider than those found on the standard CLE Coupe. Inside, the CLE53 features the same 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and an 11.9-inch central display as the standard coupe. The seats come standard with MB Tex and microfiber upholstery, but customers have the option to switch to Napa leather with embossed AMG crests on the front headrests. An optional AMG performance seat package replaces the standard seats with ones that have more pronounced bolsters. The regular steering wheel is substituted with a flat-bottom AMG steering wheel wrapped in Napa leather and equipped with aluminum shift paddles. Mercedes has not yet announced the release date for the CLE53, but it is expected to hit the market sometime next year. As for pricing, it is likely to fall between the sticker prices of the C43 and C63, with an estimated cost of around $85,000 when it becomes available. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find it helpful, feel free to hit the like button and leave a comment below. See you next time.